Eh Commander Morning. Silapha ke Lady Smith. Mhlamba abanye bayitholile iposter yethu ethi MK Labour Desk igalelekile. I-meet and greet. Sesihlala ama-cases. Cabanga ukuthi namhlanje sihlala ama-cases are almost 10. Kuhlangana nama-case aseDundee, nama-case aseNewcastle, nama-case ase-Lady Smith. Today sizolala la e-Lady Smith for the sake yokuthi kusasa kufanele sibe se-CCMA siyomela ama-cases wethu esiwafakile ngoba cha amacala siyawafaka because now is time yokuthi singalokhu sixoxa nje into engapheli indawo. Faneke iy'nkampani esiyise kwa-CCMA siyise ko-Bargaining Council siyise nako-Labour Court. So bafowethu-ke i-MK Labour Desk together with i-San4Sao is busy here. Siyazi ukuthi we issued ilokhuze iposter ebithi siza la, abanye mhlamba bezwanga ukuthi siza la e-Lady Smith for the first time ukuthi sizohlala isikhathi esijana ukuzodila nama-issues ase-Lady Smith. Sizodila ke no-Venus, sizodila no-Africat, sizodila no-Boxer, sizodila so many companies anga-comply ne-Labour Law, Labour Relations Act, ne-Basic Condition of Employment Act. So ke today silapha to ensure ukuthi we advocate these two version of the labor laws. Masuka lapho siya eJoburg nakhona futhi sizohlala insuku ezimbili, that is 11 bese sihlala sohlala is it 10 11 12 13 siyehla sibheke Eastern Cape sambe sikhushumayela levangeli labasebenzi ukuthi let's all be one and let's all be united in the struggle of the workers. So that's what we are saying. Let's be solidarity and let's be, bathi ke abantu inja one, inja all. That's what we are saying. So now ke sikhona umuntu ofuna ukusithola sinocingo lika organizer obizwa ngokuthi uVusi Mbatha, national organizer, samba naye ne-crew lapho khona sino Allen Ngcobo okuyena osiphathela ulegal. But mawufuna ukusithola quickly kulezi indlela esihamba ngazo sicela usithinte kule number ethi 079 busuthi ke 426 busuthi 38 ubusuthi ke 0 or 38 ubusuthi 38 yeah injalo nje. Masuka sizobe siseGqeberha. Bonke abasebenzi baseGqeberha bazi ukuthi banosuku luka mhla ka14 sizobe silapha eGqeberha mhla ka13 solala khona. Bonke abantu baseGqeberha abaqale basithinte. Sizobe sise East London the following day. Ngicabanga ukuthi kuzobe ku15 and 16 where sizoba lapha East London 15 and 16 bese kuthi ngo17 and 18 sizobe silapha eMthatha u17 no18 sisemthatha bese kuthi u19 no 1920 sizobe silapha eKokstad sobe seKokstad sibe sise futhi siphinde sibe yini lenye futhi yeah, but sobe seKokstad sobe sisebenzela ngakhona bonke abasebenzi abasondele yonke i-labor desk ayisondele kulezi ndawo esikhuluma ngazo bese kuzothi lastly sizobe sise Potchefstroom bese siyagoduka sibuyele eThekwini anhla wethu sesiqedileke uma usale la ungaphinde futhi uthi nakho ngila eNgcobo nakho ngila kuphi cha njoba sisho nje senzela kona ukuthi abasebenzi asihlanganeni nabo kusukela namhlanje njoba sila iLady Smith sihlangane nabasebenzi nakusasa sihlangane nabasebenzi siye eGoli sohlangana nabasebenzi for 2 days siseGoli sobe sihlangane nabasebenzi siyasuka lapho sePitoli siyohlangana nabasebenzi so that means siyaqhubha bafowethu siyaqhubha kwi-issue yabasebenzi ngeke siyaqhubha ungezwa ngumuntu futhi laba abantu abayibiza nge-labor desk bafowethu niba correct because there are people esebeyibiza nge-labor desk esebeqala ukuba ngamaqola liyayizwa loo nto abantu mabebona ukuthi into iyahamba baye baqale bafuna ukudlala ngayo ukuze yonakale nisigadeleke i-labor desk umuntu othi uyi-labor desk ake nimverify la kithi nisifonele nje lithi uyamazi usibani bani then ke sobe sesikutshena ukuthi no lowo muntu uqondile ngoba sekukhona abantu abathatha imali zabantu nge-labor desk siyayiqhelelanisa ke nalezo zinto okwethu ukuthi make sure ukuthi abantu bayasizakala siyabonga mandla